So hello, today we will be some very basic mates in one. So it is right to play, figure out the move. If you need some time to pause, you can take it. So the usual queen a8, very easy mate. We'll take the second one. This is a pretty hard one, but it ends in just two moves, so it's not exactly a mate in. It is not exactly mate in one also, it is mate in two, you can say. Okay, so that was enough time. The move is rook h8. He doesn't have a move for the king. If he plays king here, then we got this mate. So let us try bishop. Then simple rook takes h8 and we have a checkmate. So this is again a mate in one, which is very easy. So you can check out the answer. Okay, so the move is a very simple rook a8. So now for every next puzzle, you'll only get 5 seconds. Let's see how many you can solve. Let's go. Okay, so that was enough time. Bishop d2, checkmate. And you can count your score, and in the end, remember to check it. So start. Okay, so the move is nd6. So the move is queen h7. The king is in the corner. The bishop is supporting the queen. Okay, so again, the queen just comes here and the king is over here. Okay, again, like queen d8, checkmate. So, okay, so there are a few. This is not exactly a mate. May mate this queen g8. This is also a possibility, but only when the white king is over here. Okay, so here the simple queen d4 is a mate, pretty in the center, so not easily being able to be found. So simple knight e2, not really hard. This is very easy. So you don't need much time. It's a simple rook c8. Okay, this is a pretty tough one. So you can take a while. Okay, so the move might not be so easy to find it out. It's a queen c6. Okay, here again, you don't need any time. The simple move queen g6 is there. So this might not be easily found, but it's a simple f7. This is the 13th puzzle we have solved. We'll be solving 30 few more. Okay, so this was not that hard. You just have to come queen b3 and just give this. So just give me a moment. There is some issue. Yes, there we go. Next puzzle. Okay, so this also doesn't need much time. Rook f6. This also doesn't need rook a7. Very simple. Now this looks hard, but is actually pretty easy. Let me tell you, it is a knight move. Okay, so now here you must have found out it's a knight move. So these two might have been. If you check out these, thinking that this square is getting saved and there is a check, but this square gets left open. But when you go this square is defended, this square is defended, and this is closed. So these two getting blocked by its own pieces, the rook just attacks the king, and its own pieces just have to block it. So it can't do anything. So let's go to the next one. This is a pretty tough one. Not that tough, but yeah, you can take away. Okay, that was enough time. Now g4. Not pretty surprising since these two squares are getting blocked down by the knight. These all squares are getting blocked down by the queen, and these, so this entire box, actually these are not of use, but all the three squares that king can escape are blocked. Now let's go to the next one. So this might not be that hard, but again it will be pretty difficult to find out. So the move is simple, bishop e6. Well, it's not simple, but yeah. Now this one is a pretty hard one to get it. There are a lot of moves. This is one, this is one, this is one. You can play any of these, but you'll have to figure out which one is exactly a mate. Okay, so I gave you a lot of hints, and the queen f7. Now this is really easy. Queen c2, no need for explanation. This is also easy, queen g7, easy mates. And this looks a bit tough, but it's not that hard. So the move is simple, b4. Now this one we don't need any time. We are very familiar with this position. Again, this one is the same type. Now this one is really not that hard, since it's a mating one, you know. There's only one way to take down the queen, that is pawn into, and that's a mate. Now this one is not a so common position, but yeah, usually it's just a pawn or this pawn. They are not two pawns. If they are, then it's like one pawn is here, one pawn is here. So two pawns are connected, so you can just do e7 and checkmate him. This is again not so hard, just a previous tactic, g4. This is the final one, which we will be seeing today. And this is a really nice photo. I also liked it. So yeah, you can pause if you need more time. This isn't that hard, but I like this one. You get to promote it, but you under promote it. You don't promote it properly. You promote it to a knight, and that is a checkmate. The bishop closing down on this square, the knight closing down on this, the king closing down on these. And all these squares are just blocked by its own pieces. So this was a really nice move. And like always, thank you for watching. Remember to watch our next video, and most of all, subscribe, share, and like.